Сәлем достар, бүгінгі сұрақ жауап бағдарламамыздың қонағы Линдси Уэбстер. Уэбстер мырза Ұлыбританиядағы Брукхаус колледжінің өкілі. Hello, Mr. Webster.
Hello, pleased to meet you.
Welcome to Astana.
I'm very happy to be in Astana. Even the weather is cheering me up.
Yeah. I hope you enjoy it.
I'm enjoying myself. I always enjoy myself in Kazakhstan.
Thank you.
Very welcoming country, very welcoming people. Thank you.
Could you give some brief information about you and about Brookhouse College so students know you better?
Certainly. My name is Lindsay. Lindsay Webster.
Yeah.
Lindsay is a very interesting name because most people think they're going to meet a beautiful Hollywood actress. Instead, they meet an old Englishman. So I apologise if I disappoint any young men out there.
No, it's okay.
And I work at Brookhouse College, which is a international boarding school in the UK. It's 1 hour by train north of London. And personally, I have been a teacher for a long time. I've been an English teacher for 45 years. And I still work. Why? Because I enjoy it. I enjoy meeting new people, learning new culture about new cultures, and so on. And Brookhouse College has about 220 students during the academic year. And in the summer, we run a summer program, which in any 1 week, there are probably again about 200 international students from all over the world who come to learn English.
Okay, I think I may guess the most interesting questions for our subscribers. Now, here is my question. The first step for international students in the UK is learning English. Could you tell us about language courses at Brookhouse College?
Certainly. As I said, in the summer, we offer language courses which are targeted at students aged 10 to 17. And they are a mixture of learning the language. In the morning, there will be English classes, many different levels, mixed classes, quite small classes, probably 7 or 8 students per class, and focusing on using the language to communicate. The second element is the activities, and in the afternoons and the weekends, there are plenty of trips and excursions and fun activities. And one of the interesting things about a language course at Brookhouse College in the summer is not only learning about England, but meeting students from all over the world. Why do I think that's good? We live in a world where you have to learn to live with people. We're a globalized world and economy and so on. So it's a good experience for someone who will have a career later and almost certainly will come into contact with foreign cultures and so on. And of course, most importantly, English is the global language. English is the international language. And we use it to communicate with each other.
Thank you very much. What is the minimum age for pupils coming to your college?
Yes, during the summer, the minimum age is 10.
10. Okay. Let's talk about, for example, let's say a 15 years old pupil is going to study English 4 weeks during summertime. Could you give some net calculation of their parents' expenses?
Yes, if a student comes to the UK for a 4-week summer course, the cost would be approximately 3,000 Great British pounds for 4 weeks, £3,000, and that includes tuition, that includes accommodation, that includes food, that includes all of the excursions. It doesn't include getting to the UK and returning, and it doesn't include pocket money, but it covers most of the expenses. But it's about, we can calculate, it's about £800 a week. And at the moment, for students who are coming from Kazakhstan, we understand the financial difficulties faced by the region, and we are happy on applications to consider discounts of up to 25% of the fees.
Well, thank you very much. Do you have supervised accommodation for students under 18?
Yes, all of our accommodation is supervised. The regulations in the United Kingdom are very, very strict that if we have young people, we must know where they are every minute of the day. This is a government obligation. If we don't do this, the government can remove our license. So we ensure that students in their accommodation and in their activities during the day, they are continually under our supervision. It's very important from a legal point of view in the UK.
Thank you. What kind of extra cultural or sport activities do you have at Brook House?
Market Harborough is a small town, but it's right in the centre of England. So it's very easy to get to other places. London is an hour by train. Cambridge is about 45 minutes by coach. Stratford-upon-Avon, the birthplace of William Shakespeare, would probably be about 1 hour by coach. So there's plenty of visits so that students not only learn English, but they learn something about the culture of the UK, the history of the UK, and all of these aspects. Students will see things which they've seen on the TV, Big Ben, the London Eye, and so on. They will experience these things personally during the course of their stay. There's opportunity for sporting activities, games, swimming, whatever is of interest to students. We can arrange that kind of thing. Also, excursions to things like Harry Potter studios and so on. Harry Potter is perhaps the most famous English person who ever lived now. Students can choose to go to a musical show in the West End of London, for example. So there's plenty of variety of activities during our summer programme.
Have you had any students from Kazakhstan before?
Yes, we've had a small number of Kazakh students on our full-time programmes during the year. At the moment, we have 3 young men from Kazakhstan, and in the summer, we've had small groups, 3-4 students who come to us for 2-3 weeks or whatever. The minimum stay is 2 weeks, but students could stay, if they wanted, they could stay for 8 weeks at a maximum.
Could you tell what is like life or living in your neighborhood? Is it safe there?
Yes. The Market Harborough is a very small, quiet, typically English town. It's not London. It's not Astana or Almaty. It's very typically English. It's a small town of 20,000 people. And for that reason, I think it is very quiet, very safe, a good place for students to study. I'm not saying that it's completely safe. Obviously, nowhere is. But as places go, it is very safe. For example, I always tell people I very rarely see a policeman. Why? Because we don't need a policeman. It's a very safe environment. Another thing I always say, I have 2 daughters. And when they were young, I didn't worry when they went out. I think Market Harborough is an excellent choice for people. And parents do not need to worry about the security of their children.
Mr. Webster, thank you very much for your time. I'm sure all this information is interesting for our subscribers. I hope to see you here again in the future.
Yeah. Thank you very much, and it's always a pleasure to be in Kazakhstan, and I hope we see some more Kazakh students in Market Harborough in the future. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Maybe I'm foolish, maybe I'm blind, thinking I can see through this and see what's behind. Got no way to prove it, so maybe I'm lying. But I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Don't put your blame on me. Don't put your blame on me. Take a look in the mirror, what do you see? Do you see it clearer, or are you deceived in what you believe? 'Cause I'm only human after all, and you're only human after all. Don't put the blame on me. Don't put your blame on me. Some people got the real problems. Some people out of love. Some people think I can solve them. Lord, heavens above, I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all. Don't put the blame on me. Don't put the blame on me. Don't ask my opinion, don't ask me to lie, and beg for forgiveness for making you cry. For making you cry. 'Cause I'm only human after all. I'm only human after all.
Сәлем достар. Бүгінгі жаттығу күні 55 минут көлемінде болды. Байқаған жаттығуларды толығымен 4 кезеңмен орындадым. Шашылып қалған жоқпын. Бәрі де ойдағыдай. Ет жеуге дайынмын.